Hey guys, what's up? It's Ian here, back with you from Insane RC Action, and we're at the same spot where we did the Mount Rocklacont, or big gravel pile. We were jumping that with the Traxxas Slash, but today we're gonna take the Traxxas Slash back out again to the same construction site type area, and we're gonna be doing a bit of off-roading, kind of like a short course truck or a trophy truck style stuff. So yeah, let's get started, and I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, first try. Dang it, lost the wheel. Wheel nut must have backed off again. Alright, time for round two, Trevor. Alright guys, take two. We got the wheel back on and put a new wheel nut on since we lost the old wheel nut. Just kind of backed off on us, and so we're ready to go now. Let's do this.
Cool.